industry data is indicating slower buyer activity and rising inventory. But what about Maryland's real estate market? It's Friday, June 21st, 2024, and yesterday was the official start of summer and the longest day. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Both national and regional housing data mirror these reports. Plus, it's true that the summer months are notoriously slower for buyer activity than early spring and late fall. Combined with the distractions of summer school breaks, upcoming elections, economic conditions, global unrest, and war, there is a lot to unpack about how consumers are feeling. Many consumers feel the pinch of inflation, but we have not been in a recession yet. The U.S. economy has grown these past 7 consecutive quarters. Maryland's real estate market prices have increased 5.3% since last year and are up 6% year to date. Homes are selling in 8 days at a median of 100% list to sold ratio. This is favorable data indicating that the real estate market here is strong and healthy. Those who live in Maryland know that we have always been somewhat insulated with our defense contractors, military and cybersecurity operations, healthcare, and bio companies, just among a few industries that continue to expand and hire, contributing to the low unemployment rate of 2.6%, which is more than a whole percentage lower than the nation's rate of 3.8%. 1,903 homes came to the market this past week, and another 1,160 are poised to hit the market soon. Homes going under contract rose to 1,801 and in 10 median days. 1,420 homes sold since last report at 100% list to sold ratio and in 8 days. Rentals available for lease rose to 2,103 at $2,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 21st, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.